Hi students, let us continue the session Geography chapter 2 Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes class 6. Previous class we already learned latitudes and its features. Now we see another set of lines on the globe running from North Pole to South Pole. These vertical lines are called longitudes or meridians. All these lines are of equal length and meet at the poles, that is, from North Pole to South Pole. Have you seen this on this globe? Yes, these vertical lines are called longitudes. As equator marks 0° latitude, the meridian passing through Greenwich is the 0° meridian. It is called prime meridian. Greenwich is the place where British Royal Observatory is located. Prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Therefore, the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for the east and W for the west. There are longitudes up to 180° eastward as well as 180° westward. One interesting fact is that 180° east and 180° west is the same line. To locate places on earth, we should know latitudes and longitudes. If we know latitudinal values and longitudinal values, we can locate a place very easily. Do you know how? Yes, one example I will give you. Dhubri is in Assam, is situated at 26° north latitude and 90° east longitude. Find out the point where these two lines cut each other. That point will be the location of Dhubri. You have to look around the intersection point of the two lines. This point we call it grid. What is grid? The network of lines formed by the latitudes and longitudes is called a grid. You know that the sun doesn't rise at all places at the same time. We have learned that the earth rotates from west to east. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, that is 1440 minutes. Do you know how you got it? That is 24 into 60 minutes is equal to 1440 minutes. This time is taken by the earth to rotate through the 360°. I told you there are 180° east and 180° west is there, that is equal to 360°. That is 1440 minutes needed to complete one rotation. So per 1 degree it needs 4 minutes. So the earth rotates 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15° east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4, that is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. That is 1 p.m. We can add 12 plus 1 hour, that is 1 p.m. But at 15 degree west of Greenwich, it will be 11 a.m. How we got it? That we are reducing 1 hour from 12 noon. Okay, that we are getting 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. Is it clear? Yes, so we can say that different places, different time is also. Sometimes some of your parents are working abroad. You might have heard that their time is not similar to ours. Okay, yes. In a country like ours, towns situated at extreme east and west, they may have different longitudes. That would make running of trains between them very confusing. So each place in India follows a standard time. That is, India followed Indian Standard Time, which is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich time. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. Which is the standard meridian? 82.5 degree east. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as Indian Standard Time. For example, Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. What is the reason? Yes, because a cricket match between India and England had started at 2 p.m. in London. It means that the same match will start in India, or we can see that match only 7:30 p.m. in India. Why? What is the reason behind that? From London, if it is 2 p.m., in India it is 7:30 p.m. That's why. Okay, is it clear? Yes. India located east of Greenwich at 82.5 degree east. That is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. What is GMT? Greenwich Mean Time. So it will be 2 p.m. plus 5.5 hours, that is equal to 7:30 p.m. in India, when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Okay. Do you have any difficulty? No. Okay, very good. Large countries have more than one standard time. In Russia, 11 standard times. Earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone covers 50 degree of longitude. The longitude of 180 degree east or west is the international date line. When ships or planes cross this line, 1 day is added if one is traveling from east to west. If the crossing west to east, 1 day is subtracted. That you will study in your higher classes. Okay, let us recall what we studied. Today we studied what are longitudes, what is prime meridian, what is earth grid, how to locate places and standard meridian of India, etc. I think you all clear. Hope you got it something. Okay.